How to disable save in chat option in Snapchat. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the ways to disable save in chat option in Snapchat. So in order to do that procedure, first of all, make sure that the application is completely up to date and then go ahead and log in into your Snapchat account. When you're logged into your account, that's going to take you to this page. So here, you need to go ahead and press on the chat icon from the bottom right hand side corner. And when you do that, you'll be able to see your chat history page. So right on this page, you have to go ahead and open up the chat of a particular person whom you don't want to go ahead and, for which you wish to go ahead and disable the save in chat option. So in my case, I'm going to go with this following users. When you do that, go ahead and press on the profile icon, and then you need to go ahead and tap the three dot icon next to it. When you do that, you need to go to chat and notification settings. After that, go to delete chats, and here you could go ahead and select after viewing or maybe 24 hours after viewing. Whichever is convenient for you, select that and click on the OK button. When you've done that, you've successfully disabled save in chat option in Snapchat. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.